Hi guys, guess what? We're making keto refried beans. And once again, I'm gonna have a really weird angle because my tripod is not my best friend today. All right, so all you're gonna need for this recipe is chorizo. You can do spicy, mild, whatever you like. I've got right here 1.2 pounds of hot, spicy chorizo. I'm gonna put this next to the Instapot, which is also on saute. And then what you're gonna need is 2 eggplants. This is so easy to make keto refried beans, guys. So we're just gonna chop off the eggplant pieces. We're going to peel it and cut them. You can peel it any way that's quickest to you. And you guys wanna know something weird? Like, I've never liked eggplant. And I can't even taste it in this recipe. I love recipes that hack other recipes, and I really thought that this one was gonna be a fail, and it was fantastic. You're also gonna want some seasonings, you know, whatever refried beans you like. If you like, you know, spicy or not. I like to add garlic and garlic salt to my beans. So yeah, you're just gonna chop up an eggplant. That was a bad chop right there. All right, pretend like I peeled this one perfect. Okay? Then I'm just going to chop it in half. Chop it again. Chop it into smaller pieces. And I'm gonna do this for both of them, but I'm gonna spare you guys the boredom of me doing it. All right, let's move over to the Instant Pot real quick. Grab you guys over here. Set you up over here. Just in case you, whoops, whoa. All right, so with my Instant Pot, and I'm sure that goes the same for everybody, it needs some fluid in there for when we turn on the pressure cooking. So I'm gonna actually try adding bone broth for my fluid. Last time I used water, it was fine. But I have jalapeno epic bone broth, so I thought I would try that. Okay, that doesn't want to come out. We'll just scoop it out. Check your guys' chorizo ingredients if you're strict. Sometimes they put like soy and stuff in there. I don't care if you choose to have that stuff on keto. Me personally, it causes inflammation, so I try to avoid it. I got this spicy chorizo at Sprouts. So, and like I said, I just had my Instapot on saute for a minute. Wait, take my hands off. I'm gonna add my bone broth, and this is just epic jalapeno. You can use water. I'm gonna put a little bit, maybe a half a cup in here, just in case some of that looks like it's gonna steam out. Oh no, it was actually good. Okay. So you can do this on the stove too. You don't even need an Instapot. I just found that it was a lot easier with an Instapot, for me anyways. Because at the end you're gonna use an immersion blender, and the Instapot is high enough that you don't have a giant mess. Okay, let's get our garlic salt. Garlic lovers, I like Flavor God. I'm also gonna add some regular garlic too. I know you guys like me to measure. Let's see if I have a spoon. Let's go with the tablespoon of garlic salt. My husband loves spicy, so let's add a little bit of everything spicy. You guys can use any spices you want. That's probably like a half a tablespoon maybe. All right. And now I need to chop up the other eggplant before we add it. It'll be video magic in just a second. Just like that, we got all the eggplant chopped up, and we're going to add it to our Instapot. Now what I want to do, let me see how well you guys can see. You guys can't see that well. All right. My Instapot lid. This right here, and bring you guys closer. Can you see that way? No, not so good. Brandon, can you hold this? Just for a second. This is like low quality budget filming. Thank you. So now all we're gonna do is try to stir up the mixture with the eggplant. That saute cooks pretty fast, wow. And from this mixture right here, I think I am gonna add just a little bit more liquid. I'm gonna get my epic bone broth. This right here is what I was using. Just gonna end up using the whole jar for this batch. A little bit of garlic. You call that a tablespoon? All right. Sorry, now we're just gonna plop on this lid. Make sure it's closed because we are going to pressure cook it now. So I'm gonna hit cancel and I'm gonna turn it back on. We're gonna go, let's do meat chili. No? Beans and chili. Wait, why isn't this working? What happened? Did it come unplugged? Why me?
Wait, you said it was off.
Okay, let's try this again. Meat stew. 35 minutes high. All right. You guys say that you love my videos because I'm real. There you go, real life. See you back when it's time to blend. The Instapot just went off. We're gonna open this for the first time together. I don't have my little helper to help me film, so just bear with me, guys. Oh, look at that. That looks good. All right, see, that doesn't look like beans, right? But it's about to. So what you're gonna do at this point is you're gonna take an immersion blender, okay? You're gonna stick it down in there. You're gonna blend. Now I can see that I've got a little too much liquid in there. That's nothing a little bit of xanthan gum won't fix. I'm gonna finish mixing this up and add a little bit of xanthan gum, maybe a teaspoon. I added the xanthan gum. It was probably about a half a tablespoon is about what I added. It's looking real good. We're now going to add some cheese. I did add too much bone broth. But I think it'll be okay. We've got like bean consistency going on here. Just gonna add some cheese. I've got Monterey Jack and cheddar right here. Just let that melt into it. I probably should show you guys what it looks like. Sorry about that. This is really a bad video. I'm gonna have to make this again. But see, looks like refried beans. Grab a spoon. Not bad, not bad. Add a little bit more cheese. And then this is it. We're just gonna let it sit. I've got some low-carb tortillas, I've got some folio wraps, and I've got some gluten-free tortillas for my family. There we go, and I'm just gonna let that melt, and we're gonna call it a day. Bye, guys. I hope this was helpful.